Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Raditya Nugraha. Today I would like to make a presentation about GPT and the rise of generative of AI. The first is ChatGPT as a new technology both hands. ChatGPT is the one of deep learning-based language models released by OpenAI on the November 30 in 2022. This technology falls under the category of generative AI or Gen AI, which can generate with text, prompt, that images, audio, and general else even the code-based training data. It's all about your prompt. GPT is will be generated by prompt. If you give some a good prompt, GPT will deliver you some nice prompt will be active in the generative anything else. And the next there are based on training data. Also, their first generative, others included Rhythm, Jasper, Copy AI Writer, Sonic, and the other else. GPT has become phenomena that to its superior capabilities and free public access. That is the next is ChatGPT is new technology both hands. ChatGPT is built on the GPT-3 models but has significances and differences while GPT-3 focuses on the more and natural language processing such as the language translation, text summarization, and the creative learning. GPT is especially designed for interactive conversation. It's capable of the providing human-like digital response, explaining complex concepts and or topic simple terms, generate the code box, and assist creating both long and short pieces of writing. This advantage makes GPT considered more flexible, even called scary good by some academic. And the next, there are threats of to academic integrity. The use of GPT is raised about serious concerns about academic integrity. This is because ChatGPT is capable of generating awareness that are often correct in the structures and even referent like thus undergraduate and graduate students. Some professors have reported easiest generated by GPT appear so clear, structures and convincing by they are difficult to distinguish from the student work. These situations create a significant risk that student may use GPT to complete the assignment, exam, or report without agenting their own intellectual effort. According to the International Center of the Academic Integrity 2021, academic integrity is based on 6 values. The first is honesty, the second is trust, the first is fairness, the fourth is respect, the fifth is responsibility, and the last is courage. When the student use GPT to generate written or work they them claim as their own, all these principles are violated. This practice resembles contract cheating in Newton 2018, but it's more dangerous because ChatGPT is free, easily accessible, and can generate different answer each time the use of modifiers and the question. In that assumption, ChatGPT is can generate anything else, but with different prompt. If we are use the same prompt, will we get the same answer? And then the last there, ultimately the threat of the post by GPT is not only about copying text, but also redefining the learning process. With our GPT are concerned that education will shift from the formation knowledge and critical thinking skill to simply outsourcing and instant awareness magically.
Okay, for the speech is positive opportunities of ChatGPT in academia. Banning ChatGPT is not a suitable solution. This technology can be a part of innovation. So, for the supporting a teacher, help lecturers design lesson plan, assignment, and classroom activity ideas. Enhancing learning processes function as an assistant that explain concept, give us example, and help student practice writing. Assisting research useful for brainstorming, drafting, and conducting simple data analysis. Improving efficiency save times on administrative and academic tasks allowing more focus on creative and non-ethical aspects. For expect crucial student and lecturer must be guided on ethical responsible use on GPT. Okay, for the next is strategic recommendation for academia. Academia must manage AI use responsibly rather than banning it. Update rules and policies. Universities should receive academic integrity policies to address AI use. Develop CT session guidelines. Establish standard rules for citing or acknowledging ChatGPT contribute in scholarly work. Education and training. Equip lecturer and student with AI literacy to use ChatGPT ethically. Redesign assignment. Consider alternative assignments such as oral exam, class discussion, or presentation to reduce AI impact. Develop reliable detection tools. Collaborate to build a more effective and accessible AI detection system.
For the next material, we will talk about DebateMate. DebateMate is a specialized AI designed for engaging in debates, taking on various characters as per user request. The primary purpose is to simulate realistic debate scenarios, providing users with a platform to practice and refine their debating skill. DebateMate can adopt different viewpoints, styles, and personalities to fit the debate context, making the experience as realistic as possible. This website or application have several strengths, like interactive learning that makes English exercise more lively than just dialogue practice. Next is critical thinking development. Train students to think analytically, not just memorize answer. And next is confidence building. Safe for shy student. Practice with AI first before performing in front of your friends. And next is personalized learning. AI can adjust the debate style according to the student weakness, like grammar or vocabulary. And next is accessibility. Can be used anytime because these have application or mobile and website does not depend on the presence of a human debate opponent. And last is test preparation, relevant for the IELTS and TOEFL speaking section on the argumentation. Next is limitation. First is shallow understanding. AI may only provide superficial argument, lacking deep in content. Next is bias in data. AI arguments can be biased because they are trained with specific data, can produce one-side opinions. Next is overreliance risks. Students may become too dependent on AI for ideas, thereby reducing their own creativity. Next is language nuances. AI may not be able to grasp humor, irony, or complex rhetoric in debates. Next is technical barriers. Requires a stable internet connection, adequate device, and accurate speech recognition. Okay, last is lack of human emotion. Debating with AI still cannot completely replace emotional interaction with humans.
The next material is specific AI case, Gligli's AI Voice Twin, a web-based language learning platform that allows users to converse directly with AI. Gligli's is a website-based learning platform that allows you to learn foreign language by talking directly to AI as if you had a personal tutor in your pocket. You can do role plays, for example, ordering food or simulating job interviews. Get intimidate feedback and improve your pronunciation and grammar in real time. The next is main features. Voice cloning records the student's voice and creates a duplicate versions or voice twin. Pronunciation correction compares the student original voice with the ideal version generated by AI. Accent training provides accents to options British, American, Australian as a practice targets. Real-time feedback show incorrect pronunciation, intonation, stress, vowel, consonants, and sounds. Progress tracking save practice recording to monitor student progress over time. Interactive practice can be used for reading text, conversation, or presentations. Next is strengths and limitations. Strengths is flexible practice, can practice anytime without scheduling. Both motivations. Student can hear direct conversation between their voice and the target. Personalized learning helps students trying to for more natural and clear pronunciation. Accent flexibility helps learners adjust their accents applicable beyond English. Can also be used for learning other language or multilingual. Limitations: technology accuracy. Voice cloning requires very clear recordings. Risk of depends students may over-focus or imitating AI voice and lose their natural speaking style. Intonation and natural flow. AI may be too robotic and not fully mimic the natural rhythm of humans. And then limited feedback. It can focus too much on the sound of words but not enough on aspect of communication such as fluency and confidence.
Use of AI tools such as DebateMate and Giggles raise a serious ethical issues like academic integrity. Students may claim AI-generated argument or writing as their own ideas. And then data privacy, voice recordings and interactions stored on servers pose risk of misuse or leaks. Bias, AI may reflect cultural or political bias from its training data. Equity gap, schools with limited resources may lack access to such technology, widening the digital divide. Conclusion is ChatGPT and generative AI are disruptive technologies with great potential to revolutionize academia. Ethical issues can make them effective tool for teaching and research. However, irresponsible use risks undermining academic integrity and eliminating critical thinking processes. The main challenge is not prohibition, but responsible management through multi-stakeholder collaboration. Strategic steps such as update policies, redesigned assessments, and AI literacy education are essential to ensure AI become a partner, not a threat. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.